Hi, Pao. This is your friend. Your best friend. Recognize me? I'm so sorry I couldn't come because obviously you're in Australia and I'm in the Philippines. Really, we miss you here back in the Philippines. Mr. Miggy, Kevin, all of your friends here. We miss you. And now it's your birthday. I'm saying that happy birthday to you, and you're entering in your maturity stage now. Good luck with that. If you need us, just ping me or ping us, and we will try to help you. Of course, we are your friends. Umuwi ka na kasi! Miss na kita. Kasi wala na yung lagi nang bubugbog sa akin. Wala na yung mga pasa ko. Dito.
Iiyak.
I miss you. Basta happy birthday.